Hi guys, it's 6 p.m. the sun is down and I'm going to the garden to plant some Anchia. Alright, so this is my seedling and this is what I collected. I harvested already. So I'm going to remove some more because I want to plant something here. Actually, I want to plant jama on this pot, so I'll just take out as much as I can. And I think it's gonna rain today, so I'm so excited about the rain. I want to take advantage of it and plant this one. Before it rains. I'm heading to the garden right now to plant it. So let me tell you guys a story. I just found an animal that has been eating my vegetables, right? Has been eating my jama. I'll not tell you what I did to it, but just guess what I did to the animal. It's been eating my vegetable and I'm wondering if we planted this thing together for it to just come and destroy like that. Look at this, guys, look at this. Is this not wickedness? See? So I gave that animal such a punishment, but I want you to guess what I did to the animal. Tell me in the comment section. Alright guys, so now that I've gotten my seedlings, let's go to the garden and plant it. Alright, see you over in the other city where my garden is. So after planting, the last thing you do is make sure you water very well. Okay, I will just water it now manually, and then in the morning, if I'm not able to come here, I'm going to turn on the sprinkling system to water the garden. But right now I just need to water it really well, get the bed very soaked. Okay guys, so that is it for today. The bed is very watered and it is moist. Okay, see, when I touch it, this is what I get. It's muddy, so it is good. And I'm going to come back in the morning to water again, just to get the plants to get rooted really quick. And yeah, that is it. I pray that it will do well. It will not look like it's in the desert like this other bed here. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you were able to learn something from it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share the video. It could be helpful to someone you know. And if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe to this channel and join the growing family. Okay guys, thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.